Whoa! Whoa! Get ready. Marking a fish every now and then. Get ready for that drag to start screaming on. Whoa! Whoa! Goodness gracious. What I tell you, what I tell you. On a herring, let's get him in front of us. And it's going for the river. Man, oh man, man. Get him in front of us. That's a good one, y'all. Woo! Man, this is a good one. Got on a blueback herring. This guy feels good. He feels like a fish. Woo! Man, that was a good one. I don't know if he's ready to come in yet or not. Okay, so we got a couple of pictures of him. Okay, we're gonna let him go. Let him go and let him grow. There he goes. Woo! Awesome!